The Braun Series 5 model 5020S. This is a wireless electric razor. The razor comes with a head guard for traveling. This 3 foil head pivots. They're all pivot for a nice close shave. The head and blades are removable, just that easy, just that quick. You run it under warm water, make sure it's clean, pat dry, let it air out. The unit itself comes with a comfortable rubberized grip with a texture on it. This is all water resistant. Just make sure you don't get any water in here. There is a display here, a power button. And to clean it, it's very easy. If you want to use the included brush to go ahead and just brush it out, you can do that. However, I prefer to just run it under the warm water all around here and here and here, just like it shows on the photo, just like that. And it just cleans everything out. And then just to make sure that you shake it out really well. Make sure you tip it and get all the water out and pat dry and let it air out properly before use. It does come with several attachments. So let's say, for example, if you wanna you do use the included beard trimmer, just connect it. There are several guards that are also included, along with the charging brick and the manual. The manual will tell you what the indicator lights do. So there are several indicator lights on there, including when it's time to charge it. It doesn't have these edge guards that go on there, snap on just like that, and go to town. Get done with that, go back to this, go to town. It's very comfortable, easy to use. So you're going to get these 3 flexible blades. It's easy to clean, 50-minute shaving of use, 5-minute quick charge, wet or dry, and it's easy to replace the attachments. So I'm really happy with this unit. I liked it so much that I purchased 2, and I also bought one for a friend. So I highly recommend this. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, and thank you very much.